So, hello guys, good morning. Support this video guys kay Kuantan. This is kalabasa. Video ba? This is 1 hour breakfast. Pamahaw ni Inday. No bulad. No more bulad. No more ginamos. No more fish. So only have this one. Only this one. Pamahaw Inday. No fish. No dry fish. No sani. No wet fish. Ginamos ba unsa may investahan? Tuan. Salted fish. This one only pot garlic and onion and soy sauce and oil. And then seasoning the magic sarap and the bitsin and the salt. Only this one, the ingredient for this one. Nothing else. Only this one I have breakfast. This one. Rice with this one. Pumpkin, squash. Nakasuon ko ani sa igsuon sa kong amo. Sa tong sa dito pa ko sa Lebanon. So yun ani sila maghiwa. Ana ba ana. Anaon nila paghiwa. Bisan magpalit sila ba naon nila. Pero kiwa. Usahay anaon ako usahay po di ana ako ao. Oh, unsa ka bright no kana na chopping board diha niya. Mas dali mo gud nga ningon. My knife is very small. But sharp. No need to remove the skin. You know why? Oh, the vitamins here in the skin. Dili na siya panitan kay na diri ang vitamin sa panit. Oh, asa mo mangita. Diri ra. This one I keep this one because this one I put fertilizer for my plant. I show you. This is my plant. You see? This is my Josebona philodendra. See? Then I put here the this fertilizer, organic fertilizer. So now I keep this one, and then this one I cook this one breakfast this one and lunch, because inday no sudan, no fish, no dry fish, and then no salted fish, no noodles, and no egg, nothing, only have this one. So, moro to. Daghang salamat. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, like and share. Thank you. God bless. Love you all.